Hi there, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to use MAXIFS function and MINIFS function. When you have used average if, sum if, and count if, you will appreciate the importance of using these functions. In the same way, ifs function in terms of MAXIFS and MINIFS are going to be of great help. Let's start it. In the table, I have got the month, the sales representative, the type, and the units sold. Now we want to extract the maximum value for the new and the existing account for a particular candidate. Pass in MAXIFS function. What is the maximum range? It's the unit sold. What is the criteria one? It's the sales representative. Within the sales representative, which person we want to identify? It's Aditi. Criteria 2 is the month. Within this, I want to perform it for the month of January. And criteria 3 is the type of the account. And I want to use it for the new account. Hit enter, you will have the answer. In the same way, let's do it for the existing account as well. I have pressed function F2. Function F2 is going to show you the formula what you have used it. I'm going to copy this formula by pressing Ctrl C, escape. Paste this formula here because we are going to use the same formula, but in place of new account we are going to change it to existing. That's the difference we are making it here. Hit enter, you will have the answer. In the same way, let's extract it for the minimum value also. Pass in MINIFS function. What is the minimum range? Unit sold is the minimum range. What is the criteria one? Sales representative. Within this we want to find it out for Aditi. What is the criteria 2? It's the month. Which month we want to find out? It's for the month of January. What is criteria 3? It's the type. Within this we want to find out for the new account. Close and hit enter. You will have the minimum value. Press function F2 key to see the formula. Copy the formula by pressing Ctrl C. Hit escape key. Paste the formula. And in place of new, just change it to existing. Hit enter, you will have the answer. For the month of January, we have taken Aditi's account. In the new account, we can see it's 54, and in the existing account, the maximum value is 65. In the same way, for the minimum value, then let's go to Aditi, January, then minimum value is 36 here, and for the existing value, it's 23 here. We have identified the max value and the minimum value using MAXIFS and MINIFS function. I hope this video was informative and you have enjoyed the video. Thanks for joining. Stay tuned for more such videos. Good day.